Hey guys, we are in Bangkok. क्या बात है? बहुत दूर से ये आ रहा है, बहुत ही दूर से ये आ रहा है. We have finally checked it and हमने just Wi-Fi वगैरह सब connect किया. We sorted our outfit. Now we will sort our itinerary. So basically we have not made our Bangkok itinerary and हमने बस ऐसा जगह का नाम लिखा है. बस हम अभी प्लान आउट करेंगे. हाई एक्साइटमेंट तो नेक्स्ट लेवल है, नेक्स्ट लेवल मतलब नेक्स्ट लेवल. ओके बाय. गाइस हमने फाइनली 7-Eleven आके वो वायरल ट्रेन ट्राई करने वाले हैं. Guys, did my first shopping. I got a black top, of course.
No have. This one I was looking.
This no have. This have. No have. Okay. Guys, I'm buying night suits and they are so cute. Just look at them. I am buying this one and Vera is buying this one.
क्या खा रही है?
Pizza.
Tasty. This is really a nice shop. इसका नाम क्या है पता नहीं है. But it is somewhere in between. Where?
Where are we?
Where are we? I don't know. We have been roaming around since forever now. हर एक गली में जाके देख लिया. प्रत्युनम मार्केट. कितना स्ट्रगल के बाद ये मार्केट मिला है हमको.
3 घंटा lost. We were lost, guys. We are back in the hotel after such a good massage. Okay. होटल आने के बाद हमें पता ही नहीं कि हमारा फ्लोर कौन सा है. रू हम 1 पे ही अटके हैं. अरे टैप करना कार्ड.
क्या हो रहा है?
सारे दबा के देख. 6th फ्लोर है, 6th फ्लोर है. Good morning guys. This is a day 6. Today we are going somewhere that she doesn't know about. I'm gonna give her some surprise. Taking her for something. 100 बार पूछ लिया उसने कहाँ जा रहे हैं. बता.
पता ही नहीं रही जब से मेरे को. I am ready in my Thai costume. Oh my god. And also explore the temple along. I am actually loving it. Okay, I'll just keep showing everything. Instagram पे reel आएगा इसका actually. And we are in front of Wat Arun. She is asking Thai tea, have milk, no have milk. It rained so much. We are back and we are now going to the Chinatown night market. बीच का vlog का part गायब था because we were so exhausted after shopping and everything. Like look at our faces. It was so exhausting. We went back to our room and then हमने 2 घंटा chill किया, rest किया and then we got ready. Now we're going Chinatown. Yes, we are at Chinatown. So basically there's a lot of people, so I won't be able to vlog much. There's a must thing to do in Thailand, that you come here. It's as simple as that. Nothing great. People eat like this and people walk like this. People do shopping, eat, go home, sleep. That's it.
Bird saliva.
Oh, bird saliva. coconut ice cream is here. And we're gonna eat it now. Very good. I really wanna do a massage, but कहीं भी कुछ खुला नहीं है. 2:30 हो गया है. The market is still like lit up and everything.
Me back because we were very tired. Now we'll just sleep and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, guys. This is our third day in Bangkok, but for now we don't have money.
अच्छा
So we are going to exchange. We haven't had anything since last night. तो हम 7-Eleven आके 2 viral sandwich ले रहे हैं. And after taking the sandwich, we're just waiting for our grab to come. Then we will reach and I will show you. Bye.
ठीक है ट्राई आउट इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई
Thank you. What just happened right now? I'll tell you. So this guy helped me get some sandwiches because मैं वेदा को बोल रही थी कि मैं चिकन के अलावा मुझे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा, सब में बेकन है या हैम है या कुछ है. So this guy heard our conversation and he started helping me. He, you can try this one, it's really good and blah 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 shit. And then this guy told me to try this burger as well, and I was like, "No, I'm gonna take the sandwich." And he's like, "Yeah, you can try the burger next time." गरम किया? Okay. And उसके बाद while he was leaving, he asked me, "Do you want this?" I'm like, "No, thank you. I will buy it later." He got this for me, and then he went.
औरत का चक्कर बाबू भैया औरत का
That's it.
चक्कर
I got a free burger in Bangkok. We're finally in the cab और अभी हम 7-Eleven breakfast कर रहे हैं. She has egg. What do you have?
Sandwich, something.
And I have spinach something sandwich and the chicken burger. And we also like this in Thailand from 7-Eleven. The Meiji coffee and also the chocolate is also nice. The burger is so good. And now she's trying the sandwich. It's too good, yeah. Veda has done her first purchase of a night suit.
Cute to bad.
Guys, I like this clip. How's it? Blue? This is the hat I am going to buy. वेदा तो मुझे छोड़ के चली गई है ये सब देखने के बाद. वो तो चली गई भाई.
हम लोग आ गए हैं सियाम स्क्वायर और बारिश रुक नहीं रही है. दिस इज द वायरल स्टोर. लेट्स गो. तो अब हम लोग बारिश में घूम रहे हैं क्योंकि बारिश खत्म नहीं हो रही है और हमको अब कुछ खाना है. शॉपिंग स्पिरिट. और ये कितना सुंदर है पर सब खाली पड़ा है क्योंकि बारिश की वजह से लोग नहीं आ रहे हैं. पर हम जा रहे हैं.
Without an umbrella.
Yeah, and still we are roaming around. But why not? Yes. Oh, Chester's. I saw this. Let's go there. अब हम कुछ खाने के लिए ढूंढ रहे हैं और हमको कुछ भी वेज में ऑप्शन नहीं मिल रहा है. हम लोग ने लिटरली हर एक कैफे में जाके पूछ रहा है, बस एक भी वेज ऑप्शन नहीं है. और हम दोनों बहुत इरिटेट हो चुके हैं. इधर एक तो बारिश हो रही है कंटिन्यूसली, कुछ घूमते नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ खाते नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ वेज भी नहीं मिल रहा है. राजी भी ढूंढ रही है, उसको भी कुछ
कुछ नहीं है तेरे लिए. तो घर जा वापस.
तो मेरा मत टेंशन ले, मैं कुछ तो खा लूंगी. मैंने उसको बोला कि मेरा टेंशन मत ले, तो चिकन खा, मैं कुछ पी लूंगी, मेरे को इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. पर राजू उसको सुनना ही नहीं है. चल
शॉपिंग करेगी.
इसको बोलती हूँ मैं कि खाने चले तो मेरे को शॉपिंग करने ले चलती है. मैंने बोला अरे भाई तू कर शॉपिंग, मेरे को कुछ खाने दे. नहीं अब जा रहे हम कहीं तो
Guys, this is a very aesthetic and cute viral store. You have a lot of accessories, clothes, and a lot of stuff, and also a photo booth on the second floor. Dump him if he's not treating you right. But did I listen? No. Oh, look at the bags. They're so cute. See, the bag is really cute. How much is it for? It's for 1,600 baht. Okay. Guys, we're again at the viral Matchbox store for shopping. And it is so aesthetic. Shops here are so aesthetic, yaar. It has a second floor as well. Wow. We have reached at Iconium and now we're gonna enter. I don't know where Veda is. ये खा रही है वहाँ पे आके. Finally, after an hour of searching for things, we are eating chicken nuggets and
फिश रोल.
बहुत प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ खाने का. चिकन खाना है तो उसमें अंडा है, चिकन खाना है तो उसमें पोर्क है. Guys, so we are at Iconium Mall and this mall is filled with luxury. This is just like Dubai Mall and Geo World Drive, Mumbai and Dubai, if you want to relate. बस हम जैसे जैसे ऊपर ऊपर जा रहे हैं फ्लोर्स में, वैसे वैसे बजट कम हो रहा है. Am I right? नीचे लग्जरी, फिर थोड़ा सा, फिर थोड़ा सा, फिर थोड़ा सा, फिर थोड़ा सा, ऐसा करते करते हम 4th फ्लोर पे आ गए हैं. बजट कम 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 कम
90%.
अब हम 90% पे जाएंगे. लेट्स गो. Get a full good rooftop view, we are going at Napalai Terrace. It is free to watch the view and have a good sunset or dawn, whatever the timing is. Sunset to ho chuka hai, but we're just gonna go for the city lights and everything, and I will show you how it is. Guys, this is the terrace view. We're now going to George Fair's night market.
And we tried what?
Star Island's biggest Starbucks.
Starbucks.
हमें 1 घंटे तक कोई ग्रैब, कोई भी टैक्सी नहीं मिली. For 1 hour straight, we were standing on the road and waiting for a cab that showed 32 minutes. वो जैसे ही आई, हम गलत टैक्सी में बैठ गए. This guy asked us to cancel that and save पैसे यहाँ देने. But वो पूरा सब हुआ सब crazy. Now we're going to George Fair's night market and I don't know what it is honestly. I just saw a place. We are back in our room and this is our हालत. Literally हमने इतनी शॉपिंग की है, हमने इतनी शॉपिंग की है that now we are scared to pack because we are leaving tomorrow to our places, Mumbai and Dubai. Now we are going out for some food because हमने कुछ नहीं खाया है. हमने शॉपिंग के चक्कर में सब कुछ बंद हो गया और हमने कुछ नहीं खाया.
चल वरना सब बंद हो जाएगा.
Let's go have dinner. We have come here for a massage at literally 1:20 a.m.
Yes. Yeah, already. Yes. We haven't had food yet, by the way.
But massage ले रहे हैं.
मसाज ले रहे हैं क्योंकि भूख तो क्या गई है, पर बॉडी तो.
मसाज के बाद.
Yes.
Literally very hungry, but अभी चप्पल पहन लेते हैं and we are all good to go for our massage. We have taken the traditional Thai massage, full body it is, because we wanted to try the Thai.
Last night in Bangkok,
We will see you after the massage. Finally, we have got our food in the room. We also got chocolate from 7-Eleven.
Yes.
And it's so cute. We just didn't want to spend more time outside. Good night. We are packing right now, and this is how the halat of our room looks like, because of course end of girls trip, and we are packing everything that we shopped. See you tomorrow, because tomorrow is our last day in Bangkok and we are catching a flight at night. Hey guys, we are at Asiatic and this is our last day in Bangkok.
Last day, last spot.
I think so. यहाँ पे highest swing है एशिया का, and we are just here for that. और बाकी तो we'll show you around, but we'll do something. Yes. So basically Asiatic एक night market है, but if you don't have time हमारे जैसा तो आप दिन में भी आ सकते हो. हमारा main motive the area explore करना था and not do a lot of food and all here, because food के लिए better markets है and it's almost the same. So last night I was just chilling in my room and my nail came off, like my toenail literally like came off from the nail bed, and 5:30 AM हो रहा था and I couldn't get like a nail cutter. There was no nail cutter and 7-Eleven जाने तक का तो मेरे पास एनर्जी था ही नहीं, तो it was just down, तो मैंने वो nail ऐसा खींच लिया and it's hurting, so we're not gonna walk a lot today. This is how the place looks. Get what?
The inhaler वाला थी.
चल ले लेते हैं. Veda, the second she arrives at a viewpoint, बस बैठ जाना है मैम को.
कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, मतलब व्यू देखो, हवा खाओ.
वो कितने क्यूट है यार.
हम लोग अभी आए इधर खुश होके स्काई फ्लाइज में बैठने के लिए, पर हमको पता चला कि ये लोग कैश एक्सेप्ट बिल्कुल नहीं लेते हैं.
Girls being girls, we don't have card, okay? We are given cash. Find out कर रहे थे copyright लगेगा म्यूजिक का. We tried online. अब नहीं हुआ, ठीक है, क्योंकि कार्ड वगैरह का conversion rate and all wouldn't have made sense.
Yes.
So I went to do boys.
So there was this guy sitting outside the having a drink, whatever.
मैं गई बाहर उनके पास. मैंने बोला excuse me, can you pay my card and I give you cash? I really want to do that. And they were like, sure, let's go, come on. I'm like, oh wow. और वेदा ऐसा मुझे बैठ के देख रही है कि ये हो गया, कर दिया फिगर आउट इसने.
मेरे को पता था वो कर
राजी है
देगी.
तो
मेरे को पता था पर वो कर देगी. So
फ्री बर्गर मिलता है, कोई मेरे लिए कार्ड स्वाइप कर देता है. Means what do I need more on the trip, baby? Guys, it was so mesmerizing. I'm telling you,
so beautiful.
you should try this when you are coming to Thailand, Bangkok. It's like a cute 1 minute, 2 minutes swing. You should do this. It was cute.
अब हमारे पैसे हो चुके हैं खत्म,
हम फिगर आउट कर रहे हैं कि अब हम घर कैसे जाए, मतलब एयरपोर्ट कैसे जाए,
क्योंकि
पैसे नहीं है.
Yes.
और अभी हमें 7-Eleven में भी वापस से शॉपिंग करना है, खाना भी खाना है.
खाना हमने कुछ नहीं खाया है सुबह से. ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद जो भी हमने 7-Eleven से खाया था उसके बाद कुछ नहीं खाया. तो हम देखते हैं, अब हम मेट्रो से जा रहे हैं क्योंकि पैसे नहीं है.
मेट्रो में जाना पड़ रहा है यार.
Let's see.
हम एशियाटिक के बाद सीधा प्लैटिनम मॉल आ गए.
इसके बाद हम
शॉपिंग We are back at our hotel and we have grabbed food, literally our lunch at 6 PM. और हमें अभी एयरपोर्ट से 1 घंटे के अंदर निकलना है. We are at our hotel lobby and this is literally
What you are having?
I'm having the same thing I had for breakfast and उधर है और मेरा खाना but whatever. So उसकी flight है 11 बजे और मेरी flight है 1:30 but we're gonna go together. The trip was amazing. The trip will always be memorable. How was the trip?
Awesome.
Dead reply because dead energy. I will end the vlog at the airport.